everybody, it's your girl Tiff here, and this is Transition to Healthy Self. Today's video, you're going to be learning how to take out your 2-strand twist and get voluminous and defined hair. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you don't want to miss any of the tea. Okay, so first off, I'm starting off with a 2-strand twist out. I had asked you guys back on my Instagram about a week and a half ago, what hairstyle should I do next on blown out hair? And you guys, pretty much everybody seemed to say 2-strand twist out or mini twist. So that's exactly what I did. I used the Talia Wajee Curly Curl Cream to put the twist in. So they were very moisturized because this is a creamy cream, but it is water-based. So I love how my hair looked after I put in the twist. I've had this in for a little under a week, for about like 5 or 6 days. And it's about time for me to take them out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. You want to make sure your hair is thoroughly dry. Take one of your twists, squeeze it, and make sure that it's nice and dry before you get started. Go ahead and section off your hair. And I'll just do this. And you just want to gently do that so that way you don't create any different curl patterns within your hair. I'm going in with a little bit of olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and put the olive oil all over my hands. And this is just like a regular olive oil from the store. Nothing crazy. I always get extra virgin olive oil. And I just put it all over my hands. And what you want to do is start at the bottom. And they should come out fairly easy, as you can see, and a cute little bounce back. All right, so I'm just gonna keep going. I'm just unraveling the twist without disturbing the curl pattern. So I'm not going too fast, and I'm not going rough or tugging at it. I'm just taking the strand, I'm separating the twist from the bottom and working my way up to the top. Finish this side of my hair, and as you can see, I've got beautiful, nice definition, very little frizz. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and then I'll be back. Parts of my hair are taken out, so they're completely untwist, and I'm gonna begin to separate now every single twist. So all I do is gently take my thumb and slide it in between the strands, and I gently separate the strands so that way I get a nice definition and I do not disturb the curl pattern. You can definitely see the difference between the two. This is twisted twist outs, and then this is fully untwist. And I haven't even, fluffed this with a pick or anything like that. So this is just the volume already. Okay, so I am back, and my hair is fully untwisted and separated. So let me show you the back. Now, if you want to pick her out some more, you can use a wide tooth comb like this one to get some more volume by lifting at the roots, or you can also use your favorite pick, whether plastic or metal. This compared to this, so you can see the difference. So remember, you're just lifting up the hair at the root, but use small sections because you don't want to disturb the curl patterns. So I know what some of you are thinking. All right, Tiff, so I've got this beautiful hairstyle. It's super defined, it's voluminous, and now it's time for bedtime. What do I do? Well, if you don't want to lose the style and you don't want to lose the definition, go ahead and check out this video right here where I talk about all the different ways of how to go to sleep with curly hair, super defined hair, and not lose any of it in the next morning. So go ahead and check out this video right here. And if you found this video for today super helpful, or maybe there's some tips in here that you thought were great, go ahead and smash that thumb and give me a like. Hit that subscribe button if you like what you see here. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos the next time I post it. Until the next time, guys, stay well, stay happy, be blessed, and stay safe out there.